What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a cute holiday penguin. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two small circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So I'm going to line up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small circle along the top of each eye for highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw in the beak. Let's start on the left. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then down. From the ends, let's bend the beak coming down and in towards the center point. Let's go all the way up towards the top. We're going to draw the edge of the hat. Starting on the left side, we're going to bend this up, across, and then down. Let's round out the side of the hat with a bracket going out and then in. And then again, we're going to close off the top with that same curve. Now we're going to droop the hat over towards the right side. So starting on the left, we're going to bend this up and then in towards the middle. Just going to round this out, bend this across, and then out towards the right. Let's add a little circle on the end. Over on the right side, we're going to add a fold. We're going to go up and then in. And then in behind this ball, we're going to curve this down and then in behind. Let's go back to the bottom corners of the hat. We're going to curve the head. We're going to go out and then down towards the edge of the scarf. Now we're going to connect these two lines with a curve going across, but we're going to stop right in the middle. Going down and then in. Let's go back to the center. We're going to bring the scarf coming in and then down towards the right. Let's flatten this off. I'm going to go all the way back up to the top. We're going to fold this up, across, and then down towards the right side. And I want to continue this curve underneath, going up towards the right side. Let's add some thick tassels across the bottom. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. And then we'll repeat this going all the way across. Let's go to the side of the scarf. We're going to bulk this out, going out and then in. And then again, we're going to take that same curve, go across the bottom, go in behind, and then back up. Let's draw the end of the scarf, starting right in the center, come straight down, straight across, and we'll add those same tassels in behind. Let's leave a gap just underneath the scarf on the side. We're going to curve the body, going out and then in towards the bottom. Let's round this out, come down the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's add in those little feet, leaving a large gap in the center. Start on the left, angle this down and out. Now add a point, going up, add a second point, and then one more, and go up underneath the body. Let's go back up to the scarf and draw in the wings. We're going to start on the left. Bend this out and then down. Round the wing and pull that in towards the side of the body. Now we're going to draw that patch going around the head and the body. We're going to start just up above the beak in the center. Start with a point. Let's curve this up toward the left, around the eye, come around the side, and then pull that in towards the scarf. Let's add that patch across the body, starting underneath the scarf. Bend this around, across the bottom, and we'll bend that back up and then in towards the right. Let's add some stripes across the scarf. On the left side, we're going to add two curves. One on the left, one on the right. Over on the right side, add one curving the opposite direction. And then we'll come down the scarf with two curves. Let's add some stripes across the top of the hat, starting on the left. And I'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of a cute holiday penguin. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.